When you have a dream, it doesn't often come at you screaming in your face. Dream isn't something you dream and then it happens. The dream is something you never knew was going to come into your life. Dreams always come from behind you, not right between your eyes. It sneaks up on you. Sometimes a dream almost whispers. Always whispers, it never shouts. Very hard to hear. So you have to, every day of your lives, be ready to hear what whispers in your ear. It very rarely shouts.
Miles corner, Morata's header, slammed in, and Atletico now do have their lead. Jimenez through the crowd.
In from Griezmann, just requires a little touch. Godin is there! And Godin makes it two. The captain strikes for Atletico Madrid, and it's a big, big first leg lead now.
No chance. We're out. I'm not a quitter. But this time, we've never come back from 2-0 in the first leg.
Everyone connected with Juventus is in anticipation of Tuesday night's return match against Atletico. How is the team in this moment?
Well, I think the team is good. The team are confident. The team believe. We have to do it in a special night.
Is there something you'd like to say to our fans before the game?
Well, what I have to say is Tuesday night, let's think in positive, let's believe it's possible, but we need your help because we're going to do our job in the pitch to try to score goals and win the game, and we need your support. Thank you very much.
We are ready to come back. Are you?
Yes, I am. Get ready to come back.
We never give up. Never. Never.
Federico Bernardeschi. This match is flying by. Bernardeschi's gone in! Cristiano Ronaldo is there yet again against Atletico Madrid.
Great cross from Warner, brilliant, great header from Ronaldo at the back post.
Moving the ball around well here in the early stages of the second half. It's into Ronaldo! Saved by All Black.
It's a save. No, it's in. It's over the line.
It's gone over the line and Juventus are level. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo again.
What a header. I thought All Black kept it out initially, but there we go.
Against All Black. It's three! It's the record-equaling Champions League hat-trick of Cristiano Ronaldo's career. Juventus 3, Atletico Madrid now, and it's turning into a magical night for the Italians in Turin.
In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people are thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best.